This video is based on mobile version of Fedina. To enable mobile version in Fedina, we need to enable the mobile plugin in the accounts panel. Let me open the accounts panel and enable the mobile plugin. Here in the plugins, I am enabling the plugin mobile and I am saving it. Let me show you few screenshots of the mobile version. The login page opens up, in which let me log in as an admin to view the admin profile. This is the dashboard of the admin profile. The dashlets available are messages, calendar and attendance. Once when we hover over the top icon, we can find the list of options. Let's select messages option. Here, an admin can view the list of messages. Let's have a view of a message. Here we can see the details of the message. Let's select the next module, calendar, in the mobile browser. Here, as an admin, I can see the events and examination happening on the current date. There is an examination for standard 2. The examination is represented with a blue tag. Now let's check the attendance module. As an admin, I have the privilege to mark attendance to all the students in Fedina. Let me select a particular batch and a particular student, say Geeta. Right here, as an admin, I can mark absence for the students by entering a reason. Now, let's log out as an admin and log in as a student. To view a student profile, I'm logging in as a student with the username and password. This is the dashboard of the student. They can view the list of options like messages, calendar, timetable, attendance report and fee status. Let's see one by one. Let's begin with the messages option. Here we can view the messages received by the student. The student has received a list of messages, and this message is a message from the placement cell regarding the placement that is going to take place. Let's have a look at the student calendar. The student calendar shows a reminder for the placement that is going to be held. Let's go for the next option, timetable. Here, for the current date, we can have a look at the subjects and the timings, and the employee allocated for the subject can be seen here. Say this student has a class from 8 to 9 for the subject max taken by the employees Gina, Raghav and Sana. Let's go for the next option, attendance report. The students can view their own attendance report, say the percentage of attendance they have received and the number of days they have taken leave and the days they were present. The final option is the fee status. Here, the student can see the list of fee structure and the fees that they are not paid. It is represented with the status, say unpaid. In case if the student has paid the fee, it has a status paid. And it also represents the amount of the fee structure. Now, let's log out as a student and log in as an employee. I'm logging in using the username and password of the employee. This is the dashboard of the employee, and I find various options like messages, calendar, attendance, timetable and leave application. Right now, let's view the messages of the employee. The employee has received a list of messages, say for events that is happening in the institution, and let's go for the next option, calendar. The calendar represents as a reminder for the employee about the events that is going to take place. The next module is the attendance, where the employee can mark attendance for the student. Right here, the employee can select the particular batch and the particular student and enter a reason and mark absence for the student. The next option is timetable. Here, the employee can view the timetable, say what are the classes that is to be taken by the employee for today and the class timings. The next is the leave application. So an employee can go for a leave by applying in the mobile browser itself. Here, the employee can apply for their leaves by selecting the leave type, selecting the start date and the end date, and they have the option of also selecting if it's a half a day by giving a reason, and they can submit it. They can also view the available leaves, say what are the leaves that they've taken and the available leaves. That's all about mobile version. Thank you.